Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the Saturday edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Triple H create new NXT show, while Vince McMahon plans to improve show ratings and other more interesting WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Triple H create new NXT show. First, it's been revealed that WWE plans to show in India named NXT India. Now WWE rumors stated that Triple H plans to build new NXT show. This new show of NXT will be like to minor league. WWE latest news suggested that Triple H picked former Evolve co-founder Gabe Sapolsky to lead team for the new show. This name of the show could be the NXT for NXT. Triple H already hired several agents and writers who helping out Gabe Sapolsky. Gabe Sapolsky is recently working with Evolve as a product promoter and booker, and now is work with the WWE NXT brand. Recently, WWE buys Evolve company. Triple H always a big supporter of Gabe Sapolsky, and this is the new show that proof of that. WWE already saw intent to spread the NXT brand internationally. They already told that WWE start a show in India called NXT India from 26 January 2021. This show is a pre-tape show which is taped on WWE Performance Center at Florida. WWE also looking forward to starting Performance Center in India in 2022. So it's clear that WWE wants to open NXT brand all over the world. WWE's NXT brand may take over most of wrestling landscape in the future. Number 4 is Vince McMahon plans to improve show ratings. In the recent time, the hottest topic were discussed is about WWE's Monday Night Raw rating. This week's Raw ratings drastically down to 1.5 million, and this is the record of lowest rating on USA Network. Fans are criticized by Vince McMahon for the low ratings and poor products. WWE latest update stated that Vince McMahon sent some wrestler back to Performance Center for classes and training. Those superstars include Keith Lee, Dabba Kato, Otis, Tio Medin, Akamek, and Omos. Fans most criticize Vince McMahon for one of them is Keith Lee, who sent back to Performance Center for training. Now WWE latest update suggested that Vince McMahon blamed a smaller superstar who become a top star for poor rating. Vince McMahon wants monster and high physics wrestler in the show. Here is what WWE news says. Part of it is Vince McMahon wants to more monster in the ring. As historically whenever WWE business is bad, Vince blames smaller guy on the top. But right now his toughest process is he doesn't have top guys who can work at the level. Number 3 is why Lars Sullivan absent from WWE TV. Lars Sullivan is one of those superstars on SmackDown brand who WWE looking forward for a big push. During draft 2020, Lars Sullivan made his WWE return and he drafted for Friday Night SmackDown. After making WWE return, Lars Sullivan secured wins over Chad Gable and Jeff Hardy. Then we also saw a few Lars Sullivan's interview at backstage on SmackDown brand. But from months, Lars Sullivan was in the absence from WWE TV. WWE news and updates stated the reason behind Lars Sullivan WWE absence. WWE report suggested that after make WWE return, Roman Reigns become a top heel on Blue brand. So WWE does not want another monster heel on the same brand. WWE wants to protect Lars Sullivan and hold back his unstoppable monster image. WWE thinks that it's quite tough to manage two monster heel on the same brand. Lars Sullivan also not become a part of SmackDown Survivor Series 2020. The reason behind his absence from the team was WWE already planned a clean sweep victory of Raw over SmackDown. So they wants to protect their top superstar of SmackDown brands like Lars Sullivan and Big E. Number 2 is Matt Riddle and WWE come up on the same page for a new contract. According to WWE news, Riddle agreed to WWE terms for a new big money contract. Riddle is on the verge of accepting a new WWE deal before his current contract ends. Riddle's current WWE contract ends in August 2021. WWE rumors stated that WWE and Matt Riddle both are working on a new deal which is 3 years deal and for $1.2 million. This deal gives Riddle $40,000 per year and $50,000 when we wrestle in Saudi Arabia. Riddle is now regularly appeared on the Raw episodes. Vince McMahon is also happy with the Matt Riddle works on Raw, despite he is not like much his bro gimmick. Riddle currently hinting that his feud could start with current United States champion Bobby Lashley. So maybe we can say that WWE start to push Matt Riddle towards a mid-card title, and by end of this feud, he could become a United States champion. He already attempted an unsuccessful shot for Intercontinental Championship against AJ Styles when he was on the SmackDown brand. He also lost the opportunity to win number 1 contender match for WWE Championship recently. Number 1 is Who Write Roman Reigns promos. Roman Reigns' current road on the dream run in his whole WWE career. Roman Reigns recognized as a tribal chief and head of the table now. Roman Reigns revived himself as the most brutal and ruthless top heel of the SmackDown brand. Every passing day or so, Roman Reigns' storyline and his run as a Universal Champion getting better and better. Looks like Roman Reigns become a complete package of aggression and emotions. Roman Reigns always top on his microphone skill. Now WWE update suggested that what Roman Reigns all talk on microphone on SmackDown show. Roman Reigns suggested that is all written promos by Paul Heyman. We know how good Paul Heyman is while he talks. Right now he played a vital role in Roman Reigns' character and storyline. He played back person role perfect by perfection for the Roman Reigns. If we see Roman Reigns so much fluent and effective, then we have to give some credit to Paul Heyman for his behind the scene works. Paul Heyman was one of the reasons that Roman Reigns did things effectively. So let's talk about Roman Reigns' current and future storyline as a Universal Champion. Right now he is set to face and defend his title against Kevin Owens in TLC match at TLC 2020 pay-per-view. Surely Roman Reigns not going to lose this match and the title. So he could successfully defeat Kevin Owens and retain his championship at TLC 2020 pay-per-view. Next possible feud that waits for Roman Reigns is against Daniel Bryan, who could start fight after TLC 2020 pay-per-view. So we can say that at Royal Rumble 2021, we could see Roman Reigns versus Daniel Bryan for Universal Championship match. Again, Roman Reigns not going to lose the title anytime soon or before WrestleMania 37. So maybe at Royal Rumble 2021, Roman Reigns could defeat Daniel Bryan and retain his title. Then the start most weighted feud and storyline for Roman Reigns, which does not happen last year for Roman Reigns and Goldberg storyline. Maybe sometime after Royal Rumble 2021 or maybe after Elimination Chamber 2021 pay-per-view, we could see start this feud. And at the end of the day, at WrestleMania 37, we could see Roman Reigns versus Goldberg for Universal Championship match. Most probably Roman Reigns defeated Goldberg and retained his title. This is just a pure prediction of ours, not the confirmed news right now. This is all from our today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.